right, so this is the trailer that I purchased that we're going to be doing a renovation on. And I'm a little trying to be careful walking around in here because the floors are kind of soft. Now, when we first bought this thing, oh my God, it smelled like 100 dogs was in this place. This is the bathroom. Trying to open the door a little bit. Give me some light. This bathroom is actually kind of neat because it's got 2 sinks around the corner, sort of thing. It's another angle of the room. And here's the shower stall. I think to look in this thing, it's gonna need a major cleaning. Well, look at that ceiling. Wow. And there was a hole in this thing when we purchased it, and that's fine. We're gonna fix all that. And I'm gonna try and here's the tub. This bathroom is, pretty big if you think about it. We may end up doing something else with it. There's also a laundry area. And I can't get that door to stay open. And here's one of the little bedrooms. It has a closet. I didn't even look in the closet. I was afraid. They left a bed in here, but I think we're going to get rid of that. And this is the living room area. Has an old alarm panel. Ceiling. I mean, for what we paid for this thing, I think it's in pretty good condition. We are going to have to do some work, but this is just the beginning. Here's the kitchen area. I think the refrigerator got shifted when they were pulling. But the kitchen area is a little different too. This is a 1991 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Kitchen is pretty big, I may add. And this area right here, I guess is going to be like the dining area. Here's some more of the kitchen. Stove, sink. I don't know if any of this stuff works because we hadn't gotten electricity yet. But soon enough. And anyway, this is the, I think this is the dining area. I had never seen anything like this before where there are cabinets and yeah. So now we're gonna go outside, and I just kind of want to keep this rolling because I don't want to stop my film and walk around the trailer. And as you can see, we built this step. My husband did an excellent job. And this is where the pedestal is going to be for our power pole. is the outside. There's some rust areas right in here. We're gonna have to get this stuff fixed. But it looks like the wood behind it is pretty good, especially that piece right there. So it just looks like the metal has rusted. And now my husband is working on this area here, which is the front door area. He's working on, we gotta replace some boards. It looks pretty good, you know, outside of here. The studs look pretty good, I have to say. Now, I don't know about this other stuff. And I don't know if we're gonna replace that. I really don't know at this point. My husband's gotta replace this right here. See, he's got all the tools and stuff. He's ready. This is another angle of the living room.